everyone, welcome back. My name is Zainab Nasir. In today's video, I will review another great product for you, which is called ProfitVideo. So I will be telling you why you should be preferring this product over the others and how the software works. And of course, you will be getting a bundle of bonuses, which will help you make money and which will actually 10x your results with ProfitVideo. So let's get started. First, understand what ProfitVideo is. So basically with ProfitVideo, you can create your videos. So you will be getting all that at one-time cost of $17 only. There will be no monthly charges and no hidden charges as well. So basically why you should be preferring ProfitVideo over the other tools which are available in the market. So first of all, ProfitVideo is cloud based and it will allow you to record your screen as well as allow you to capture screen and edit videos in the cloud. So you will not be needing two different softwares, one for recording and the other for your video editing. So you're getting all that on in one-time cost, which is $17. So there will be built-in templates for you to use, and it comes with a commercial license as well. You can sell these video to local businesses or provide video editing services as well. And then what else is available? Everything is drag and drop, very easy to use, and double your money back guarantee, 24/7 support from marketing gurus. So basically it requires 3 steps to get you started. And first step is you just log into your account, cloud-based video editor software, then you record your screen, camera and mic, or drag and drop any of the done for you video templates right into the editor and start editing them. And the third step is edit your videos with AI simplicity within seconds, from the most basic crop to full blown animation. So it takes only 3 steps. Now let's have a look into the software. So that's the dashboard of ProfitVideo, where you can get started recording your screen either, or you can record from your camera, start screen recording, stop screen recording. It will download to your PC. And then you can start camera recording as well. Use your camera, front camera, or any other camera you would like to use with it. And then you can edit your videos here on Video Maker. Select any video you like if you want to choose from the templates, or you want to import your own. And then you can add the annotation, the subtitles, you can add text, watermark, you can cut fast. So there are options available for you to edit your video. And I will also share the detailed demonstration of this software as well. Training available and support also. Plus you can edit your profile, change your password, and you can log out from here.
This is a video created with ProfitVideo, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to edit videos with ProfitVideo. So let's just dive right in. So after logging in, we're heading to Video Maker, and here we have all of our videos. And here we can see the exact video we just saw. Here it is. Now, let's quickly play around with it. So we're going to place it in our clipboard where we're going to do all of the editing. As with any video editor, I can place several videos in the clipboard and join them. But we're just going to focus on this one for now. So you have a bunch of options. You can add subtitles, you can add text, we can add a watermark. For example, we can edit wherever we want. And using this drag and drop timeline editor, you can also select how long the watermark should last. What's more, you can also select a certain section of a video. So for example, if I'm going to choose these first 10 seconds and I'm going to just cut them here, you'll be able to see the whole video now has 10 seconds. We can also do this for several other things. We can add different filters and we can just give it some contrast. and you can see this image has a crisper quality. You can also crop. So for example, if I don't like that logo, I can just crop it out. Got a little bit more there, and so much more. You can rotate, and that gives so many possibilities for editing your videos and doing anything you want in this web app video editor. After editing the video and doing everything you like to it, just create video, let it process for a bit, and after that we just select a name, something like Profit Video Demo, and we can select different sizes, the quality. I'm going to set it as high, going to do it as full HD. We can select different formats and then also different ratios. If you have any audio files, you'll be able to choose a background audio. You can even select some text on video that you can add afterwards. Once you're done with everything, just click create. And if we go to check inside our home, we'll be able to see the video exactly like we edited it. And we'll see it with everything we did, even with the filter, if we rotated it, everything else. What's more, you can even record your screen, so you don't need anything else apart from ProfitVideo. You can record your screen, drop it directly into the video maker, edit your video and upload it to YouTube or wherever you need it to be. It's as easy as just start screen record, we select what we want. I'm just going to record my entire screen, allow, and it starts showing right here. And if I click on stop recording, I'm going to give it a file name, demo, and I'm going to save it. And I'm also going to be able to see it right here, to see exactly what I did during this screen record session. You can even open up your camera so as to record yourself and have a cool presentation. So if you want to be a professional editor for a low one-time fee, grab ProfitVideo right now and I will see you inside.
Now let me tell you about the complete bonus bundle package which you will get if you pick the copy of this product via the link which is mentioned in the description. Okay, so remember that this page comes down on the 27th of September. So make sure you grab these bonuses and ProfitVideo before that. So I will also tell you about the upsells as well. The upsell one, you will get pro edition of ProfitVideo for $37 and the downsell is 27. Then upsell 2, ProfitVideo Enterprise edition, you will get for $47 and the downsell is for 37. The upsell 3, ProfitVideo done for you edition for $39 and $29 is the downsell. Upsell ProfitVideo Reseller edition, you will be getting this for $97. Then there is upsell 5, ProfitVideo IMX bundle. You'll be getting this bundle for $197. Now let me tell you about the bonuses. So the number one bonus which you will get, which is worth for $427, and you will be getting for free if you pick the copy of this product via the link I will mention in the description. So the first bonus is A to Z launch jacking guide. So you will be getting a complete launch jacking guide which will help you get started making money as soon as possible with the free organic way. So if you get this product to create your videos and screen record your videos, faceless or with face, whichever type you like, then you can use this bonus and get started ASAP. And then there is a bonus too, which is auto content machine. So for your videos which you will create with this software, you can easily use this auto content machine and generate the content which will be unique for your videos. Okay, then there is bonus 3, which is keyword tool software. So if you want to rank your videos, you will be needing targeted keywords. So you can get all the keywords for your videos with this bonus. Then there is bonus 4, which is YouTube cash. So you will learn how to make cash with YouTube. but you will be getting resell rights to this YouTube cache. So you can sell it and make money from this as well, and you can use it to make money from this as well, other than selling it. Then there is bonus 5, which you will be getting. That is SEO tactics for today. So basically, SEO tactics are very important if you want to rank, no matter your videos or any other content, then you need to know these SEO tactics. So these are all the bonuses which you will get. You can click here and secure your copy of the product, also the bonuses. So that's it for this review video, and hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more products which will help you make money online, as well as the amazing bonuses which you will get from me.